sing that shit.
Hello buddies, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this episode we will discuss about CFE, that is Certified Fraud Examiner, in detail. So before moving ahead, let's have a look over CFE checklist, which we are going to deal in detail further. We have divided our discussion in 4 parts. So first we'll deal about what is CFE and how you can join. Then we'll deal with CFE exams, how you can prepare for the CFE exam. Then we'll let you know how to apply for the CFE exam. Then we'll discuss how to pass the CFE exam. So moving ahead, our first discussion is all about joining the CFE course. So ACFE, it is Associations of Certified Fraud Examiners. This association was established in 1988. The association is a professional organization of fraud examiners. Its activities includes producing fraud information, tools and training. And this association only grants the professional designation of CFE. Okay. Now, moving ahead, we look further about the eligibility for CFE exam. So, you should be an associate member of ACFE. Then you should meet some of the minimum academic and professional requirements. So what are these academic and professional requirements? We'll see ahead. Coming on to academic qualification. So generally applicants for CFE certification have to have a minimum of bachelor's degree or equivalent from an institution of higher learning. And in case if you do not have a bachelor degree, you may substitute 2 years of fraud related professional experience for each year of academic study. Now looking into professional requirement for CFE exam. At the time you are certified, you must have at least 2 years of professional experience in a field either directly or indirectly related to the detection of fraud. Okay. In case candidates lacking 2 years of professional experience can still take that CFE exam as long as they have minimum of 40 total qualifying points. So what are these 40 qualifying points? You can calculate your point score via given link. So if you want to calculate how much score you are earning with your academic qualification or experience, you can visit this link, which is the official website, and you can calculate your point score. Now, as mentioned above, about 2 years of professional experience. So, what are the categories? What are the categories which would be accepted as fraud related experience? So, let's see. First, if you have experience in accounting or auditing, that will be count in your professional experience. Then criminology and sociology, then fraud investigation, next loss prevention, next law. So if you have 2 years of experience in any of these fields, then you are eligible for CFE exam. But if your experience does not fall into one of the categories, but your responsibility includes the detection and investigation of fraud, your experience may qualify as indirect fraud related. Moving on to second part of our discussion, that is prepare for CFE exam. This CFE exam will test your knowledge in 4 major areas. What are they? First, fraud prevention and deterrence. Second, financial transactions and fraud schemes. Third, investigation. Fourth, law. So these are the 4 major areas where your CFA exam will be surrounded with. Now, in order to have detailed knowledge about these 4 areas, you can visit the given link. Then, what are the methods to prepare for CFE exam? So, first, you can study with the CFE exam preparation course. What is this CFE exam preparation course? So it is computer based course and it will guide you in your CFE exam preparation. Then you can attend the CFE exam review course. This 4-day instructor lead course provides you with the essentials needed to pass the CFE exam. That you can do. Then the third method which you can adopt is you can study on your own using the fraud examiner's manual. So these are the manuals which are available and you can go through that manual and study on your own. Now, in order to know about that preparation course, the manuals, you can visit this given link to have more detail. Moving ahead to third part of our discussion, that is how to apply for CFE exam. The first step is to complete an online application form and submit payment. The CFE exam online application consists of 4 qualifying sections: qualifications, experience, character, signature statement, and payment. The cost to take the CFE exam is $400, and if you have purchased the CFE exam preparation course, the fee is $300. Then the next step is to submit your supporting documentation to the certification portal. What are these supporting documentation? So it includes proof of experience, proof of education, photo and professional recommendation. Now, passing the CFE exam. Let's discuss about CFE exam format. So, the CFE exam is administered online via computer, and as already discussed earlier, that this exam contains 4 sections, and all the 4 sections must be passed in 3 consecutive attempts. Then CFE exam is a closed book, closed notes exam. CFE exam can be taken at a time convenient for you, and this exam has a number of controls to ensure integrity, and each exam is generated from a master database, which means no two exams are exactly the same. Then CFE exam details. So you'll have to take the CFE exam, then request your CFE exam activation key, enter the CFE exam activation key, submit the CFE exam activation key, CFE exam affidavit, CFE exam results, CFE exam retake. So these are the various details, or you can say the step of CFE exams. For more detailed analysis, like how to generate CFE exam activation key, what are CFE exam affidavits, you can visit the given link. It's an official website, and there you can find a detailed video on every step of CFE exams. Let's have a look how the CFE qualified peoples are making difference across the world. We have senior internal auditor. He has something to say about CFE degree. Having the CFE credential has allowed me to be a transformational leader in the fight against fraud, waste, abuse in the areas of financial management, intelligence, contingency funding, and management of internal control programs for Army military intelligence worldwide. Then we have data and regulatory reporting lead. She has something to say about CFE degree. The CFE credential has made me more marketable. It's an internationally established and recognized brand, and since I worked in a multinational multi-country organization, the CFE is a very valuable accreditation to have. Till now we have discussed about the CFE scope worldwide and its recognition. Now we will see specifically about CFE scope in India. So the RBI red flag accounts need forensic in coming period. RBI may make it compulsory for advances above certain threshold. So for that they might need CFE. Then Serious Fraud Investigation Office, established under Companies Act 2013, could also provide investigation assignments for forensic accountants. Then Economic Offences Wings also require help of certified fraud examiners. Then big MNC have a special forensic department in which CFE can be appointed. Then forensic services are also required during the course of due diligence in case of mergers and acquisition. Then cyber forensic is one of the growing field as well. Let's meet the manager of internal audit. He has something to say about CFE. Being a CFE means that I am connected to a very large network of professionals and like-minded people globally. The ACFE provides me the convenient access to fraud risk tools and techniques that can help me to plan and execute a fraud risk management program. For more detailed analysis and to apply and appear for CFE exam, you can visit the official website of ACFE, which is www.acfe.com. In case of any query, you can comment or message on our YouTube channel. Stay connected with Commerce Buddy and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.